Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get the master sprinkler by doing no event and no getting from the gear shop. That's a waste of money, and participating in the event still the waste of money, dude. Like how? So in order to get this, I really didn't buy this from the gear shop. No. So you have to participate. Instead, you have to participate in this event. Then after that, yeah, when you have to look over here, if it says looking for fruit plants, you have to get you can pick this or pick this. So after that, you have to get the fruit that you want. It can either be summer, prickly, or fruit or vegetable. It can be only that. Once you get a lot, you have to find the green light thing. Once you find it, it has a chance that it will guarantee you the master sprinkler. As you guys see, I'm trying to look for it so I can find the master sprinkler. And also, after when you get to the top of this